Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a day in the life for you guys. I've had a ton of stuff going on in my life lately and I've been keeping everyone on Instagram updated, but I haven't kept you guys on here updated. So I just wanted to kind of fill you in and take you along with everything that's going on lately. So I just got done getting ready. We got a little baby cat right here. She likes to hang out with me while I get ready, but I figured I would give you all my updates real quick while the baby is still sleeping. I'm waiting for her to wake up. It's 9:30 a.m. right now. So you guys saw where I cleaned my mom's house for her before her surgery. She did have her surgery. It was to remove what we thought was a benign tumor from her pancreas. It turns out it's stage 4 pancreatic cancer. So she's doing okay. They removed tumors from her liver and her stomach, and some on the outside and surrounding tissue of her pancreas. They couldn't remove one, baby cat. They couldn't remove one tumor from her pancreas, and it's the one remaining. It is the size of a softball, so they marked it off, and their plan is to shrink it with chemo and radiation, and then remove it. That's what we're hoping for right now. They couldn't remove it because it was entwined with a lot of blood vessels and arteries that go to her liver. So they couldn't take it right then, but like I said, they're hoping to shrink it. She starts chemo hopefully in a week or two. She's healing up from her surgery. She's doing okay. She's in a lot of pain, but other than that, she's doing okay. So that is what we had going on this past week. And then a couple weeks before that, we found out that my brother-in-law died in a tragic car accident. So we've been trying to help out with my husband's sister when we can. So as you can imagine, life has been a little crazy lately. I've had my moments where I've let it get to me, and I think we all need to have our moments where we just let it all hit us, cry, and get it out of our system. And then move on and be strong. So I've had my moments. I'm doing okay. I know my mom's gonna make it. Zach's sister is okay. I mean, as okay as anyone can be whose husband tragically died. So we're just trying to help out everywhere that we can. My dad is doing okay. He's being strong for my mom. So yeah, that's kind of where everything is right now. So what I kind of have planned for the day is I'm going to go see my mom. She's home now from her surgery. So I'm gonna go see her, and then I want to run by Target and Walmart. We are in the process of renovating our room. It got put on a little bit of hold with everything going on, but my hope is to hopefully do it this weekend. Cross your fingers, that's what I'm hoping. And you guys will get a full tour and everything once that's done. So I did want to say I may be missing videos here and there on my normal days. I normally upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday. They may go up on different days. There may be some days that I miss. Just be patient with me. I'm trying to help out everyone in my life that I can. So sometimes I just may not get around to getting a video up. So I appreciate your love and your support and your prayers. So just be patient with me. I am, like I said, doing okay, and if I just need to take a break and take care of family, I'm just gonna have to do that. So that's everything going on right now. I just got done getting ready. I have to clean up my vanity right here. I haven't given you guys an office tour yet, but it's coming. I promise it's coming. It's pretty much done. I just need to order some more posters and finish my record wall, and then one piece of decor and a mirror, and then this is done, and then I can give you guys the full tour. My office is kind of like my space. It's girly but alternative, and I don't know, it's very me. So I can't wait to share that with you guys. And then once this room's officially done and our bedroom's done, we just got to do the kitchen, which is, that eventually will be like a full gut job, but for now I'm just gonna like pretty it up a little bit because it's not that pretty right now. But other than going to Target and Walmart, I do need to film a video today, so I will take you guys behind the scenes of doing that video. I thought that would be something fun for you guys to see. You will see that video before you see this one, so you'll be able to watch them in conjunction and see the behind the scenes. So other than that, I'm gonna go clean up a little bit, do my morning cleanup, and then maybe the baby will be awake by then and we'll get her ready and we'll go see my mom.
Lights out, hearts beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. I don't care.
All right, the baby is still sleeping, so I'm just gonna make some breakfast, and I feel like some peanut butter banana toast. So I'm just going to take some Trader Joe's brand Ezekiel bread. I don't know what I think they call theirs daily bread, sprouted bread. So keep it in the freezer or else it will go bad very quickly. I'm just gonna toast this up, and I have been loving the crunchy salted peanut butter with flax and chia seeds from Trader Joe's too. This is really, really good. I'm just gonna make some breakfast. Here's my breakfast. We use paper plates because we fancy. I just put a sprinkle of cinnamon on top, and then I'm gonna have one of these cherry limeade LaCroix with it. If you don't typically like LaCroix, definitely try this one. This cherry limeade one is amazing. I love it, and I've been drinking these like crazy. So I'm gonna eat this real quick. Who finally woke up? He said, good morning. Good morning. You don't want to? I'm taking over my mom one of these salt rock lamps, and then I ordered her a chemotherapy crystal set. That's supposed to come in later today, and I'll have to take that over later, but now I'm gonna take this to her.
Just don't let the memories fade. No, we are lost in love with a lust, but heart drops the minds.
Okay, so I just got home and I'm about to start filming, but I figured before I started filming, I'd show you a few things that I got from Walmart. I didn't make it over to Target. I'm gonna just have to head over there tomorrow. So I will show you what we got. The first thing I got are these little, I already broke into them because I was starving. These Sargento Sweet Balance Breaks. It's just Monterey Jack natural cheese, dried cranberries, and caramel glazed walnuts. And these are super, super good. I really liked them. And then we were out of coffee, so I got coffee. I was drinking Black Rifle for a long time, but honestly, it's just kind of really expensive. So I found that if you like Black Rifle coffee, a close second is the Dunkin' Donuts Dunkin' Turbo. It's a medium blend. It's really good, and especially for only $6. And then Dee needed some more detanglers, so I just got her this Suave one. And then I just came into my bedroom to show you the last thing I got. We are, like I said, redoing our bedroom, so I picked up some new bedside frames. These are from Walmart for only $4, and I felt like they were just gonna fit the theme really well for our new bedroom. And then my dad got me some pajamas. I went with them to help them grocery shop. He got me this shirt, and it just says coffee and online shopping. And then these cute pink shorts to go with that. So I'm gonna change into that before work. I've been showering before work lately because I don't get off until 9:30 and I work from home. So I just shower and then I go to work. And then when I get off, I can just come in and relax and not have to worry about anything else and just go straight to sleep because I've been really tired lately. So I have got to start filming now. So I'll take you guys along. Okay, I'm finally done filming and cleaning. It's nice that the house is nice and clean. It is 4:30 now, so I'm gonna hop in the shower. I have to be at work at 5:30, so like I said, I like to shower before I go to work, and then I'm gonna cook dinner. Okay, I'm all nice and showered. Got my new PJs on. I got this in a 2 or 3X, so it'd be huge, and it is super huge and soft and comfy, and I'm really excited about it. So it's 5 now. I need to hurry up and go make some dinner. And then normally I do yoga first thing in the morning. I didn't have time this morning. I tried to hurry up and get ready before Dee woke up, so I didn't have a chance to do it. So I will do yoga tonight after I get off work. And then I'll take you guys through my normal bedtime routine too, because there's a couple things I've been doing lately to help me really sleep good. I finished dinner a little bit ago, and while I'm working, I'm eating some Ben & Jerry's peanut butter half-baked non-dairy. It's made with almond milk. It's not my favorite, but it's pretty good. I like it. I also love watching The Office while I work. I'm in season 8 right now, and this is the second time around. So normally during the week, I'm lucky enough that while I'm working, Zach cleans up for me. He'll clean up after dinner and make sure that the living room's just picked up, nothing crazy. That way, just when I get off work, I don't have to worry about it. It's very sweet. So I always enjoy his help, and the fact that I don't even have to ask him, he just does it. So it's 8:14 right now. Work is slowing down, so I'm getting a little bored. But yeah, only an hour and a half left.
If I get out alive, feel that beat getting harder, floating on, and we're rebels at least for tonight. I don't care that my mind's going insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. You know we are lost, in love with the lost, but heart drums the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and run. Oh, 'cause it's all we know we are lost, in love with the lost, but heart drums the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and run. Oh, 'cause it's all
Alright, so you guys just saw me do my yoga. I normally do, like I said, yoga in the morning, and then at night I just do like a little light stretching in bed, but tonight I kind of just did everything on the floor. And I normally follow yoga with Adrian, but if I wanted to record on my phone, then I couldn't have the video playing, so I had to improvise. And then I took my vitamins. I take these every night. Every morning and night. I took the Ollie prenatals. These are pretty good. They taste like sour gummy worms. And then I've been trying the hair, skin, and nail gummies this time. I did have the Ollie hair and skin ones, but I didn't really notice like any crazy difference, so especially for the price, so I thought I'd give those a try. And then I'm just gonna lotion up and meditate with the Headspace app. That's what I like to do. How was your day, babe?
I was at work.
Oh yeah. What's your bedtime routine?
Hi.
What's your bedtime routine? Take shower, get in bed, look at phone, pass out.
There you go.
Alright, anyways, like I said, I'm just gonna meditate and drink some water, go to bed. I wish I could sleep with my salt rock lamp on, but
Yep, that's not gonna happen.
Mr. Priss over here won't allow it, so.
Mr. Priss.
Yeah, so Miss Priss, Mr.
Some
Priss.
of us don't sleep like a rock.
Well, you should.
Well, some of us hear noises and lights
Maybe
keep
if
us wake us up.
maybe if you did yoga and meditated, you would sleep better.
Or I could almost die every time I go to sleep. Because it seems like what you do.
Whatever.
A gunshot could go off and you're still going to be asleep.
I mean, I'm not gonna apologize for sleeping good.
Yeah. Me, if a light blinks, I'm up.
It's that military in you. Alright, anyways, this is where I'm gonna end this vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed this day in the life. If you did, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I would love to have you here. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!
Bye!